Emmanuel, can you say it again?
Proverbs 4, 1 to 12. Hear ye children the instruction of a father, and attend it to know and understanding. For I give you good doctrine, forsake ye not my law. For I was my father's so tender, only beloved in the sight of my mother. He taught me also and said unto me, let thine heart retain my words, keep my commandments and live. Get wisdom, get understanding, forget it not, neither discard from the words of my mouth. Forsake her not, and she shall preserve thee. Love her, and she shall keep thee. Wisdom in the principle, therefore, get wisdom in all thy getting, get understanding. Exalt her, and she shall promote thee. She shall bring down honor when thou dost embrace her.
Where'd you want me to go?
She shall give
Oh my God, you getting me mad.
head and anointment, ornament, or of grace. A crown of glory shall she deliver to thee. Hear, O my son, and receive my sayings, and the years of thy life shall be many. I have taught thee in the way wisdom. I have led thee in the right paths. When thou goest, thy steps shall not be straitened, and thou runnest, thou shalt not stumble. This is one of the verses. God bless his words.